In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine two sounds on TikTok so you can make your videos more creative and engaging. First, open your TikTok app and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in the app, tap on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can either record a new video or upload one from your gallery. For example, let's record a test video by saying, "Hello, this is a test video. 1, 2, 3. After recording or uploading your video, tap on the edit icon at the top of your screen. Now it's time to add your first sound. Select the audio you want as your main track. Once the first sound is added, tap on the drop-down icon and select Overlay. The Overlay option allows you to add a second sound to your video. To do this, make sure you have a pre-recorded video with audio ready. For example, you might have a video clip with ambient noise, rain, or music stored in your camera. Select that clip and tap Next to load the second sound into your project. Once the second audio is added, you can preview your video. Both sounds will now play together. You can adjust the timing of the second audio by dragging the clip within the editor so it aligns perfectly with your first sound. If necessary, trim parts of either audio to make sure they blend smoothly and nothing sounds overlapping or offbeat. To remove the original video if it's just being used for audio, simply hold and drag the video clip outside of the main timeline. This leaves only the audio playing in your TikTok video. You can preview multiple times to make sure both sounds are syncing correctly. After everything is set, tap Save to finalize your video. Now your TikTok contains two combined sounds, creating a richer audio experience and making your content more engaging for viewers. And that's how you combine two sounds on TikTok.